So guys, you're about to tune into my new video right now. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn post notification on. Hit the like button before you even watch the video. After you watch the video, if you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend and leave a comment in the comment section. All right? Hit the like button, turn post notification on. Bless upon yourself. It's fun to stay at the YM. I can never get that right. Hello?
Hey Muffin, how are you?
Rachel, I'm a little bit too old for you to be calling
Full
me
on
that.
your mother, you should refer to me as Mom.
I know you're my mother, I know. What are you calling me for?
You have mail here, you need to come and pick them up, okay?
Okay, I'll be there to pick them up this weekend,
God
Rachel.
damn it, Fuller, call me Mom.
I know you're my
it's
mother,
Mom.
okay? I gotta go,
oh my
bye.
God.
Oh, that's cute.
Answer that, it's your
Hello?
mom. Morning, Muscle.
Mommy? Mom, good morning.
But just call it, I have some mail here.
Okay, I come for pick it up this weekend if you want me to.
You know, if I bother do that, I open it and read it already so I can tell you what it says. And I ask me to open it for $1,500 and a parking ticket plus late fee. Eh? From last month this
come on,
due.
mommy, man. I never have the money, mommy.
Never have blasted money yet, but you need to hurry up and pay this.
Mommy, I'm gonna pay it, mommy. I'm gonna pay it.
But I make it come back on my yard, you know, because I'm not call you and tell you.
All right, mommy. Okay, I'm gonna pay it, mommy.
Understand, you and that damn Butterfoot Dennis are working in the car.
Okay, all right,
build them.
all right, mommy.
Pay the